Hello everyone. Do you know what are the three golden rules of accounting? So golden rules are the basic principles which we used to determine which account should be debited and which account should be credited while recording journal entries. So there are three golden rules, one for each type of accounts. First is personal account, second one is real account, third one is nominal account. Personal account. What is the rule of personal account? So the rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Meaning a personal account relates to a person, firm, company or any other legal entity. So let's take some live examples and understand it further. So example first. Cash paid to Ramesh 20,000 rupees. This means Ramesh receives a money, right? And cash is given. So what should be the journal entry? The journal entry will be Ramesh account debited by 20,000. Cash account credited by 20,000. Means Ramesh is earning and cash is going out. That's why 20,000 is credit. Ramesh is the receiver. So that's why we have debited Ramesh. Cash is given. So we have credited the cash. Let's take another example to understand it further. Loan received from Punjab National Bank of 5 lakh rupees. What should be the journal entry? You are receiving a loan. This means bank account is debiting, which is by 5 lakh rupees. Which bank account? To Punjab National Bank loan account. 5 lakh by credit. So bank has given the loan. That's why we have debited the bank. That's why lender account is credit because bank was the one who has given. That's why their account has been credited. Right? Let's move to real accounts. Rule of real accounts is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Meaning real account relates to an assets. Okay, example cash, furniture, building, machinery, land, computer. So all these things constitutes to real account. Let's take some examples to understand it further. Example 1. Furniture purchased for cash, rupees 50,000. What is this? This means furniture is coming into a business. What is going out? Cash is going out. So what should be the journal entry? Furniture account debit by 50,000. Furniture is coming into business to cash account means cash is credited. That's why 50,000 is going out from the business. Let's take another example to understand it further. Old machinery sold for cash by rupees 1,20,000. This means we are selling something. So cash is coming in. Machinery is going out. So what should be the journal entry? Cash account debit by 1,20,000. Machinery account credit by 1,20,000. Let's discuss nominal accounts. The rule of nominal account is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Meaning all nominal accounts relates to expenses, losses, income and gains only. Okay. Apart from this, does not constitute to nominal account. Let's discuss some examples. Example 1, salary paid to by 25,000. So salary is an expense, cash is going out. The journal entry will be salary account debit 25,000 to cash account by 25,000. Example 2, commission received 8,000 means cash is coming in. Commission is an income. So what should be the journal entry? Cash account debit by 8,000, commission account credit by 8,000. So let's discuss some easy memory trick to learn these three accounts. Whenever you talk about personal account, receiver always be a debit, giver always be credit. Real account, whatever comes in is debit, whatever goes out is credit. Nominal account, expense, loss should be debit, income, gain should be credit. So this is the small video related to golden rules of accounts. Thank you.